Good morning, respected ma'am, Dr. Anju Pawar, myself Kirti, class 5.10, roll number 5513. I am giving my presentation of inner space products. The theorem is every absolutely continuous function is the indefinite integral of its derivative. Now let's take the proof. Let g of x is equal to integration a to x f dash t into me dt. G is an indefinite integral of f dash. We know that indefinite integral is giving a function f of x. An antiderivative of f dash x is an any function f of x such that f dash x is equal to f of x. If f of x is any antiderivative of f of x, then the most general antiderivative of f of x is called an indefinite integral, and it is denoted by integration f of x into my dx is equal to f of x plus c. So then by fundamental theorem of integral calculus, g of x is equal to f dash x almost everywhere. Now the fundamental theorem is that link the concept of differentiability a function with the concept of integrating a function. Now let's f be a continuous real valued function defined on a closed interval ab. Let f be the function defined for all x in closed interval ab by f of x is equal to integration a to x f of t into me dt. Then capital F is uniformly continuous on closed interval ab and differentiable on open interval ab, and f dash x capital F dash x is equal to small f of x for all x in a and b. So from this fundamental theorem of integral calculus, g dash x is equal to f dash x almost everywhere. Now g is an indefinite integral, then g is absolutely continuous on closed interval a and b, and so the function small f is equal to capital F minus g. That implies that f has derivative almost everywhere, so that f dash x is equal to capital F dash x minus g dash x is equal to 0, because because above g dash x is equal to f dash x, so small f dash x is equal to 0 almost everywhere in closed interval a and b. This implies that f is continuous function. We let's say that this is a, so from above f minus g is equal to a, that is f of x minus g of x is equal to a for all x belongs to a closed interval ab. Now if we put x is equal to a in that, then we get f of a minus g of a is equal to a. So from that f of a minus 0 is equal to a. Here f of a is equal to 0, because if we take in that f of a is equal to integration a to f dash a into me dt, that becomes 0. So f of a minus 0 is equal to a. This implies that f of a is equal to capital A. So from that f of x minus f of g is equal to f of a. F of x is equal to f of a is plus g of x, because g of x goes to right hand side, that it become positive. So from that integration a to x f dash t into me dt is equal to f of a, and that is f is infinite integral of f. So this proves that every absolute continuous function is the indefinite integral of its derivative. So there are some references related to my topic and that theorem. Thank you so much.